have a breakfast full of nutrition, sattvic breakfast. Try remove the bread element from the breakfast, especially this bakery breads. That is not good for your health. So have the fruits, the juice, almonds, coconut water, peta juice, and the sprout. That lentil sprout is beautiful. It's very good. It's very healthy. It's called Amrit Foodam. So that sprout that we make, it has, the green wala moong. You sprout it, and then we put alfalfa seeds in it. Separately, you have to germinate it. The alfalfa is very healthy for the brain and the mind and for your physical and mental. It's in homeopathic medicine, you find alfalfa tonics are available. So the alfalfa seeds are available. On big basket, it is there, alfalfa seeds. You soak it separately, germinate it. So you have lentil, moong, sprout, and the alfalfa sprout. You mix it. You have a groundnut also, mungfali, again soak it and germinate it. Again, another sprout, the third one. Mix all of them. And then you can put 1-2 spoon of soaked sesame, till. So 4 things. The 5th thing that you can put is the soaked raisins, the kishmish. Again, 8-10. Then another thing that you can put is the flaxseed powder, 2 spoon. And then a little bit of lemon juice. So these 6-7 ingredients, mix it nicely and have it in your breakfast or any meal. And it gives you so much of nutrition. Lot of nutritious value. Prepare this special sprout and tell me how was it. Thank you so much. Hari Om Tat Sat. Have a wonderful day.